Pop-Pop's Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodwork. This is number 18 that couldn't decide where she wanted to be. According to my son, I talked to him and showed him the video of the ball hanging. He said they were on the first trap in the farm Sunday. And I said, well, now they're in trap number 2. Well, when I went back, that was on Saturday. When I went back Sunday morning, Easter morning, they were still hanging on trap number 2 in the farm. God almighty knows. There's some comb drawing jokers, but that sure is ugly. Sure is ugly. Every bit of it is ugly. And look, I knew that bottom box was full of bees. Yeah, that we can't let them have that. So they moved in yesterday, and you see the comb hanging off the bottom of these frames already. That's a big swarm though. They draw a lot of comb really quick. And I was really worried because they got that bottom box full of bees. So are these frames up top. Yeah, they just a festooning off the bottom as hard as they can go. Yeah, we ain't drawing a comb like that, girl. No. Nope. We'll have to do better than that. We'll have to do better than that, girl. They really want to festoon draw off that bottom is what they want to do. I still didn't see that daggone queen, but I ain't gonna mess around with them, knowing how indecisive she is. A lot of bees in that box. A lot of bees in that box. Tear this out. Get this torn down. Let's try that again. Let them old swamp girls go to work. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Oops. Missing a frame. Might get another frame to go in there. Oh, ugly frame there. We'll see if they clean it up. Alrighty, that's number 18 installed. That is all of my swarms installed that I picked up. Mr. Barr called. He's got another one on the porch. That'll be number 4 for there this year. So I got to go pick it up probably tonight. I thought I brought tacos. Alrighty, Pop-Pop's Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. Please like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day. It's time to take a break.